Everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to install VS Code in 2026. Visual Studio Code is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and the installation process is generally quick and straightforward. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Visual Studio Code website. From the download page, choose the version that matches your operating system. Make sure you're downloading the application from the official source to avoid unofficial or modified installers. Once the download is complete, open the installer. On Windows, you'll see the setup wizard with several options. You can review the license information and choose the installation location. If you're not sure which options to use, the recommended settings are usually a good starting point. Continue through the setup process and allow the installer to copy the required files to your computer. You may also see options for creating a desktop shortcut or adding VS Code to your system path. These can be useful, especially if you plan to open projects or launch VS Code from the command line. On Mac, open the downloaded package and follow the installation instructions. Linux users can install VS Code using a compatible package or their distribution's software manager, depending on their setup. After installation, launch VS Code and make sure the main editor window opens correctly. Try creating a new file or opening a project folder to confirm everything is working. If you plan to use VS Code regularly, you can also pin it to your taskbar, dock, or applications menu for quick access. Yeah, that makes launching it much easier. And that's how to install VS Code. Once the installation is complete, you can move on to setting up your workspace, adding extensions, and configuring the editor for your projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll